How to log someone out of your Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can log someone out of your Twitter account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's say that you feel someone else is using your Twitter account, or maybe you switched your devices and now you want to log out of your Twitter account from your previous devices. Well, it is very simple to do that. Whether you're on Android, whether you're on iOS, or whether you're using from the web, first you have to go ahead and open the Twitter application. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now let's say that I want to log out of this account from all the other devices. Just tap on the profile icon on the top left hand side of the screen. As I tap on the profile icon, here at the bottom you'll find the option that says settings and support. So go ahead and then expand the menu called settings and support and go to settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, over here at the second option you have the option that says security and account access. So just go ahead and then select it. Once you go ahead and select it, you can see another option that says apps and sessions. So just go ahead and then select apps and sessions. As soon as you tap on apps and sessions, you'll be able to see a list of all of the devices. So you have to go to the option that says sessions and you'll be able to see devices that are connected and currently logged into your account. So if you want to log someone out of your Twitter account, you could, by the way, go ahead and select all of the devices manually from here. For example, you could see one device. This is my current device. You can tap on this log out on the device shown, or if you want to log out of all, then you could just tap on apps and sessions and you could go to sessions again and then you could select log out of all other sessions. And that's all it takes to log someone out of your Twitter account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.